So let's look at one example of this strategy. Whenever we see a word that we don't know before, that we haven't seen before, for example, in this excerpt of the book, we see the narrator is talking about something called a zine or a zine. We're not sure how it's pronounced, and we've never seen this word before. So what we can do is we can say, okay, let's look for context clues. Maybe the author has hidden some clues around here about what zine means or zine means. Let's see the sentence. I put my headphones back on and grabbed a blank sheet of paper. I had to get this zine done before Dad came to pick me up. Okay, maybe it has something to do with a magazine. We're not sure. If we've never seen this word before, we can start looking for context clues. But this is the really cool thing. Sometimes the author will read our minds, so to speak, and they will give us exactly what we're looking for, the definition for the word that we've never seen before. If you turn to the very next page, you see right here, I started making zines earlier this year when I discovered Dad's collection of punk music zines from his high school days. And it tells us exactly right here. Zines are self-published booklets, like homemade magazines, and they can be about anything. And the author goes on to talk about exactly what zines are and exactly what you can use them for, which is great for us because we've never seen one before, and now we know, or maybe we have, it's up to the reader, but now we know what a zine is. And so now we can continue reading the book with this knowledge of what a zine is. But this does not always happen. The author does not always give you the definition of a word that you've never seen before. So sometimes you're going to need to do a little bit more digging. Sometimes we need to figure out a little bit more detail.